Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's tutorial is going to be for this crochet balaclava. This pattern is pretty simple and works up very fast. So if you are interested in seeing this tutorial, keep watching and we'll get right into the video. For this project, I'm using 4-ply medium weight yarn and my 5mm crochet hook. You can use whatever 4-ply yarn you want. It doesn't really matter. All right, so let's begin. Guys, so the first thing you want to do is take a measurement from under the ear to under the next ear, and you want to take that across the center of the head. So what I mean is you will measure from under one ear like so, and then go across the center of your head, and then to under the next ear on the other side. So on this mannequin, I'm getting 18 inches. So that means my beginning chain will be 18 inches if I was making it for the mannequin. However, when I measure my own head from under my ear on one side to the other side, I got 20 inches. So for my beginning chain, I will make a chain 20 inches long. I hope that makes sense. All right, and if you're making it for a child, you have to take the measurement from under one ear, then across to the other, going across the center of the head. All right, so let's start with a chain 20 inches long. So I have completed my 20-inch long chain, and that's 20 inches stretched. So I have 70 chains, and just to keep it even, I'm going to add one stitch. Then in that second stitch from the hook, I'm going to put 1/2 double crochet, then 1/2 double crochet in every stitch all the way across to the end of this row. So row 1 is 1/2 double crochet in every stitch all the way across. Okay, so go ahead and complete row 1, and I will meet you at the start of row 2. Okay guys, so at the end of row 1, this is what I have. I will chain 1, turn, and start row 2. For row 2, it's going to be the same, 1/2 double crochet in each stitch all the way across. The only difference is it will be in the back loop only. So let me show you that. So with the stitches facing you, you're just going to wrap your yarn around your hook like so, enter the stitch from the center, and only pick up the back loop and complete 1/2 double crochet. And that will be the repeat for this round and every other round. So you will just do 1 back loop, 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Then when you get to the end, chain 1, turn, repeat, 1/2 double crochet in the back loop only. And you will keep doing that until your work measures about 9.5 to 10 inches, which will be the complete width of the hooded part of this balaclava. I'm not sure how many rows that's going to take, but I will keep going until this measures 10 inches, and I will let you know on screen how many rows I did. But just keep going, and then I will meet you once I've completed my 10-inch tall, until I have 10 inches. Then I'll come back and we'll move on from there. Okay guys, so I have completed my 10 inches, and this is 24 rows altogether. So this is what I have at this point. I'm sorry I can't get everything in the frame. Okay, so what we're going to do now is bring both ends together like so. So this is where my working end is. Put it together with this side, and I'm going to slip stitch this section closed. So this will become the back of the balaclava. So folding it, so this is my working end, fold it into half like so, and then close this side. So this will become the front and this is the bottom, if that makes sense. Okay, so working along this side. Okay, I'm just going to chain one, and then I'm going to pick up the back loop on this first side and the front loop on the other side, and then slip stitch both edges together to close it. So just like so, pick up the back loop on one side, the front loop on the other, hook the yarn, pull through both loops. So just slip stitch along to close both edges. You'll do that all the way across to this point. So go ahead and close this section and then we'll move on from here. Alright guys, so I have gotten to the very last stitch and I'm just going to chain one, pull up a loop, and that is it closed. So that is what it looks like now that both sides are joined together to close the back of the balaclava. Okay, so at this point I will just pull up my tail and cut off my end. If I can locate my scissors. Okay, there it is. Okay, so just cut off the end like so. Alright, so this is what it looks like at this point. Alright, so now I will turn this inside out like so. And this is it. So now I'm going to be working around the front of the balaclava. Alright guys, so now I'm going to reattach my yarn to my work. So just pull up a loop like so. Okay, so I'm going to insert my needle, pull through my yarn, and make a chain one. Okay, just going to go through that same space again and put one single crochet just to make sure it's anchored properly. Now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pick up the other side and attach my yarn to the other side with a slip stitch like so. So this is what I have at this point. Alright, now I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to put 1 half double crochet in each stitch all around the opening of the balaclava. So just 1 half double crochet in each stitch, working all the way around. So all the way around back to this chain 6. So keep going, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and I'll meet you back at this point where we started the chain 6, and we'll move on from that point. So when you get back to the chains, you're gonna continue with 1 half double crochet in each chain stitch all the way across. So just like that, 1 half double crochet in each chain. To the very last. Okay, and then slip stitch into that chain, into the chain 2 to complete that round. So this is what I have at this point. Okay, now to continue, I'm gonna chain 1, and now you're gonna put 1 front post half double crochet, then 1 back post half double crochet. So that's going to be the repeat for this round. So for front post half double crochet, you wrap the yarn around the hook, go into enter the stitch from the front like so, and then hook the yarn, pull through all the loops. And then for the back, you're entering the stitch from the back, hook the yarn, pull through and pull up, hook the yarn, pull through all 3 loops. So just 1 front post half double crochet, then 1 back post half double crochet in each stitch all the way back around to this point. So go ahead and complete that, and I will meet you at the end of this row. So just keep going. Okay, so once you've completed this row of front posts, back post, half double crochet, we're gonna go around once more, repeating the same thing. So we'll chain 1, and again 1 front post half double crochet, 1 back post half double crochet, all the way around one more time to complete the front opening of the balaclava. So just to give it a bit of an edge around the front. Okay, so just 1 front post half double crochet, 1 back post half double crochet all the way around for one more row. All right, so go ahead and complete that, and then we shall move on. Okay guys, so once I have completed that row, this is what we have. So this is the front of the balaclava, just like that. So I just slip stitch over here, and I'm gonna pull up a loop and cut off my tail, which I will weave in later. So just cut off. So now we're gonna start the neck portion of our balaclava. So I'm going to be working from the center point. So from the center of the back of the balaclava, I'm gonna attach my thread. So right into the center, I'm just going to attach my thread right here. And then chain 1, and then I'm going to put 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around the bottom of this, all around the bottom of the balaclava. So straight all the way around, and then when I get back to the center, I will slip stitch to end this round. So go ahead and complete 1 half double crochet in each stitch along the bottom, and then I will meet you back at the starting point and we will continue. Okay, so once you come back around, you're just going to slip stitch into that chain space to end this round. Now for the next row, you will chain 2, and it's going to be 1 front post double crochet, 1 back post double crochet, and that will be the repeat for this row. So a front post double crochet, 1 back post double crochet, and you will continue repeating that all the way around back to the starting point. And then once you get to the starting point, you will slip stitch between the chain 2 and that first front post double crochet to join, and then you will continue with the same pattern: front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and then you will keep building. You'll keep building those rows downwards for the neck for a total of 6 to 8 inches, however many rows that may be. So it depends on your neck length, I guess. That will tell how many rows you do. So you'll keep going until you are satisfied. So I'm not sure how many rows I'll be doing yet, but I'll just keep repeating rows of front post, one front post double crochet, one back post double crochet until I'm satisfied. And that will give me the neck portion of the balaclava. All right, and that's anywhere between 4 to 8 inches, more or less, depending on what fits you. So I can't tell you exactly how many rows you have to do for yourself. You'll have to try it on and see. Okay, so I'm gonna keep building my neck, the neck portion of mine, and then I will come back and show you what the finished product looks like. So just keep going, and then I will meet you once I have the neck finished. All right, so this is my finished balaclava. I've only gone down for a total of 6 inches on the neck. Like, you can make this longer or shorter if you want. That's totally up to you, but this is what the finished project looks like. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So all I need to do is pull up a loop and cut off my tail, weave that in, and that is it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.